Hello children, welcome to class 7 English. This is unit 2. So in previous video we have completed B reading, It's Change, a poem. Now C reading, Susruta, an ancient plastic surgeon. So we are going to read about a plastic surgeon who has done his surgery without the modern instruments in previous years. So let us start the lesson. It was midnight when Susrita was awakened by a frantic knocking at the door. So in the midnight, Susrita was a surgeon now. So he was in his hut. So one of the men suddenly has come and suddenly there was a knocking at the door. Who's out there? Asked the aged doctor, taking a lighted torch from its socket in the wall and approaching the door. So, in those days, there was no light at all. So, slowly he has taken a small lighted torch and he walked towards the door. I'm a traveler, my revered Susruta, was the anguished reply. A tragedy has been befallen me. I need your help. So he said that I'm a traveler, Susrita. So some tragedy has happened to me. So please help. I need your help, he said. So Susrita opened the door. What he saw was a man kneeling before him, tears flowing from his eyes and blood from his disfigured nose. So as he opened the door, he saw one man was kneeling before him. So he's having tears in his eyes and blood was oozing from his nose. So get up, my son, and come in, said Susrita. Everything will be all right. But be quiet now. So he said, come on, get up, my son. Come inside. So everything will be good. So please come inside, he said. He led the stranger to a neat and clean room. So he has taken that person to a room with the surgical instruments on its walls. So the room was big and it was neat and clean, and some instruments were hanging on the wall. He washed his face with water and the juice of a medicine plant. So he washed his face with a medicinal plant's juice. So he then offered him a mug of wine and began preparing for the operation. So he washed his nose nicely because the blood was coming out. So he washed it neatly with the medicinal plant's juice. Then he gave him a mug full of wine. So after drinking that wine, that man went to sleep. So he started preparation for the operation in that room only. So with a large leaf of creeper brought from the garden, he measured the size of the stranger's nose. Taking a knife and forceps from the wall, he held them over a flame and cut a stripe of flesh from the stranger's cheek. The man moaned, but the wine had numbed his sense. So that man, the Susruta, went outside and brought of a creeper. He brought, you know, the creepers, no? So that creeper he brought what the length of the nose. So how much is the length of his nose? That much of creeper he brought, and he has taken knives and some of the instruments from the wall. Then he slowly cut the flesh from the stranger's cheeks, you know. From there, he has cut the stranger's cheek, flesh from there. So slowly, because we know that some pain will come whenever some cut is there on the body. So slowly that person moaned. He said. But the wine had numbed his sense. So because he had the wine, so he could not feel anything. So he was in unconscious only. After bandaging the cut in the cheek, Susruta consciously inserted two pipes into the stranger's nostrils and transplanted the flesh to the disfigured nose. Molding the flesh into the shape, he dusted the nose with powder, licorice, red sandalwood, and an extract of Indian barberry. He then enveloped the nose in cotton, sprinkled some refined oil of sesame on it, and finally put a bandage. So, what he has done, this was a treatment from here to here. What he did, slowly after cutting the flesh from the cheeks, he has bandaged the cheek. Then slowly he inserted two pipes into the nostrils. Then he transplanted the flesh to the disfigured nose. So whatever the flesh he has taken from the cheek now, that he has replaced inside the nose. Then it has taken, he has started to mold that flesh according to the shape of the nose. Then he has sprinkled some red sandalwood and licorice powder, then Indian barberry powder also. Then he has covered the nose with the cotton and he sprinkled some refined oil, that is sesame oil, to bandage the nose. So nose surgeries nowadays we see in a big theaters, like operation theaters. Some surgeons who will come from outside abroad will come and do the operations, surgeries. But here, an old man named Susrita has done this surgery before thousands of years ago. Today, we are seeing them with the costly treatments. No? Before the traveler left, he was given instructions on what to do and what not to do, and a list of medicines and herbs he was to take regularly. He was also asked to come back after a few weeks to be examined. So, that person, after when he has come to the consciousness, that person was given the treatment. He told him that what he has to do, what he should not do. So then he gave the list of medicines like herbs. So whatever he has to use regularly. Then he said, told him to come after a few weeks for the examination of the nose. Okay, children. So let us continue this lesson in the next class. Please read the lesson properly. See the sentences, underline the sentences, and if you find any hard word, please underline them. Okay, read the lesson 2 or 3 times and try to write the hard words from that. Okay, children. Thank you.